Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original one and only the guy from Pittsburgh. And the official, the guy from Pittsburgh, if I haven't said that already. Accept no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, trolls, or copyright violators. Alright, here we have Burgh unboxing. It's a Burgh bagging. I've already opened it up. This took from August till the day to show up in my box. I don't know what planet it went to. This comes from Connecticut. So this is Ghost of Lincoln, Discovering His Paranormal Legacy by Adam Selzer. Bone-chilling truths about one of history's most important ghosts. Abraham Lincoln is one of the most haunted and haunting presidents in U.S. history. Sightings of Lincoln's ghost, as well as the ghost of an assassin, have been reported for more than 150 years, visited by eerie premonitions. How do you get visited by a premonition? Morbid dreams and unusual events that seem too bizarre to be coincidence. Lincoln has become the source of dozens of myths and paranormal mysteries. Investigating everything from obscure seance transcripts and nearly forgotten newspaper articles to the most peculiar paranormal claims. Ghost of Lincoln digs deep in the annals of history and reveals the fascinating true stories and the tales, rumors, and lore. So I have never heard of this fellow, Adam Selzer, author, tour guide, and historian who specializes in places that are said to be haunted. Authors of the books Ghosts of Chicago, The Smart Aleck's Guide to American History, Flickering Empire, How Chicago Invented the Film Industry. Wonder about that. Last I heard it started in New York. As well as nearly a dozen published novels. Follow his research at www.mysteriouschicagoblog.com. And Queen Wilhelmina, 1902, saw Lincoln's ghost. Let's see. The Lincoln Room at Fort Monroe, where Lincoln has been said to have been seen. Let's see here. The Mumbler photo. The Tad version. It's Lincoln's son who died. Let's see. Houdini makes a deliberate hoax image of himself conferring with Lincoln's ghost. Houdini is a great debunker of fake mediums. President Roosevelt, Teddy probably at the rebuilt tomb. The courthouse in Chicago during the funeral, later said to be haunted. Here's a drawing of Forbes Theater during the funeral. Shows no sign of procession, passing, or a crowd of gathering. Odd. Lincoln lying in state. Edwin Stanton ordered all photos of the president remains to be destroyed. This was found a century later. So, I wonder why he did that. Lincoln's ghost honoring an early incarnation of his tomb. Boston Corbett, I think he was one of the conspirators. And Well, this goes on for quite a bit, so I'll read this tonight. And if you wonder, this is Lincoln. You can see the war and stress has aged him. 1865, year of his death. So looks really old. And let's see here. Here's the difference. 1863 still looks effects of age and stress, but a lot better than 1865. And Winston Churchill saw his ghost when he was at the White House under FDR. All right. Interesting book. Another edition of my paranormal book collection. All right. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great evening. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe out there and stay cool. Have a good night. Bye-bye for now.